Welcome once again to this channel. So today we're going to look at a very important issue, which is the problem of censorship, lack of freedom, the inability for us to access websites when we want, how we want, which makes us to lose opportunities that we can access and to make our lives better for social integration and for connections. So guys, today we're going to look at Ton VPN, the decentralized solution in the Ton ecosystem. How can we use that to unlock opportunities? For example, if I want to connect to this website right now and I need to check, let's say, quests, okay, let's say unblocked, okay, I can try to connect and it's going to say there is a problem in my region. So because I'm in this region, I cannot connect the quest on unblocked at this time to complete my quests again and UCP, for example. So what is the way forward and what can we do to solve this problem? So guys, this is where Tonkeeper comes in. So in your Tonkeeper wallet, you can find a solution to that by engaging the Ton DNS solution. Let's take a look at this. Let me sign in and put in my passcode. And then once my passcode is inputted, I will be able, of course, to head over to the browser section. And in the browser section, all I need to do is scroll down until I find fragment or utility. Let's use utility, for example. On utility, you're going to find outline VPN. You're going to find ton domains and usernames. And of course, you're going to find Ton VPN. So guys, which one are we going to use? Can you guess? Can you guess which one out of the 7 are we going to use right now? Okay, you guessed right, is the Ton VPN. So when we click on Ton VPN, we're going to see something like this. So first of all, we just need to connect our wallet. Okay, and make sure it's connected. It's connected by putting in the pin. Then we're going to hit get Ton VPN bot. And that takes us to Telegram, of course, the layer 2 of the Ton ecosystem. So you can see that I have previously tried to use it before. And let me just scroll to the top. So at the beginning, you can see what this VPN can do. And you click on start. So it tells you welcome, and you have 3 days, free to be credited to your account. So 3 days free Ton VPN usage has been credited to my account. So all I need to do now is to have the configuration file from the create new user menu. Okay, so I'm just going to show you other things here. You can pay with almost all the major cryptocurrencies: AVAX, Avalanche, Bitcoin Cash, BNB, Solana, Tron, Litecoin, Dash, Dogecoin, Ethereum, Matic, Monero, USDT Tether, Toncoin, USDC, and Verse. So you can do all this with your wallet. And hold on, the platform can work on Android, iOS, Windows, and Mac OS. Okay, so this is another good solution. And also don't forget, you get 10% bonus on deposit between 10 cents and 99 or 9.99, let's just say $10. Okay, 25% bonus on deposit between $10 and $50, 50% bonus on deposit between $50 and $99 or $100, and of course 100% bonus on deposits above $100. Okay, so guys, remember this campaign ends on April 30th. And how many days from now? That is just 5 days from now. So I am bringing this to you because I think you should just, deposit $100 so that you can get the 100% discount, and then you can use that to pay subsequently, right? So guys, don't miss this opportunity. So we are going to get to create a new user by, of course, clicking here. I've done that already. And when you click that, it can tell you to choose which client you want to install. Let's start again so that you can understand it. Okay, there we go. So after hitting the start button, let's see, start button. So let's just do that. Hold up. Start button. Let's see. We're going to get this. Welcome to Ton VPN. You can start by creating your own Ton VPN configuration from the new user menu. Okay, so I'm going to hit payment first of all. Okay, to see how I can pay, which I told you earlier. I'm going to also hit check balance. Do I have something there? I have 53 cents. Okay, list users. Okay, so these are the operators that I have chosen before. And of course, I'm going to just click on create new user. So it's going to ask me which country am I resident in. So this country, this, or other countries. Okay, so I'm going to choose the country I'm resident in, and then it could tell me to choose out of these two solutions. So if I choose this one, then I'm going to also be told to ask the solution I would like to use. So where do I want to connect to? Okay, I could choose any of the above to connect, and then go ahead to set up my VPN. So after doing that, it's going to show me the server address to connect to, the username, and the password. So you're going to do that, and you're going to get the server name, username, and password. So the server address to connect to is going to be there, and you have a username and password as well. Of course, I could check how to connect to Cisco AnyConnect. So I could click on that, and it would tell me to choose my platform. So of course I'm on Android, so it says I should install the Cisco secure client AnyConnect. So I'm going to go there and open it. Okay, and then it's going to take me to the Play Store, which of course I'm just going to be unable to access because of where I am. So actually I would need to go and get it manually, right? So I have gone ahead to get to the Play Store to search for Cisco AnyConnect, and I'm just going to hit the install button. So it's trying to install right now, and I'll walk you through the process of doing everything. Installing. So guys, now that it's installed, I'm going to click open, accept the terms and conditions, and of course connect to the VPN. So it says no active connection is set, cannot establish a connection. So let's see, why is that? So if we click this, it says no, it's connected. So let's see connections. So add a connection. So this is where we're going to put the server address, which we have in the Telegram that was given in the bot. Let me go and copy and paste them there. So I have not copied and pasted the server address, which I copied from the Telegram bot. You remember the Telegram bot? Yes. So now that the connection is saved successfully, so next I have to put my username and password, of course. And once I put in the username and password, I hit the connect button and select OK. And now it is connected. Okay, now let's go and try to connect to that loyal website again, guys. Let's see if it's going to work. Even this one, let's try and refresh this page if it's going to work. You see, now it can work. Also, the one which access was denied before, let's just try to connect or refresh and see. So access is no longer denied. And if I go back and just come back here and search for, and maybe search for let's say quests on unblocked. Let's see. And if I try to connect, you see it's no longer telling me that my location is not valid. So now I can try to log in and it's going to work. So guys, it's working now because everything is now connected using the Ton VPN. So guys, you can do this on your own, and you can buy it by yourself using the Ton Keeper. So guys, make sure you get the Ton VPN because it's going to help you to solve these connectivity issues any day, anytime, anywhere. So guys, please subscribe to the channel, share our content, and make sure you help others to learn these new things and how to maximize the opportunities in the Ton ecosystem for your own freedom and of course decentralization of Web3. Thank you guys. See you later. Bye.